In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage permissions in Confluence. Before we start, a quick note, you'll need to be a space admin or a Confluence admin to change permissions. If you don't see some of the options I mentioned, you may need to ask an administrator for access. First, open your organization's Confluence site and sign in. You can use your usual bookmark or company portal. Once you're in, head to the space where you want to adjust access. You can get there from the Spaces menu at the top, from your recent spaces, or by using the search bar. Make sure you're in the correct space, especially if your instance has similarly named teams or projects. On the left sidebar of the space, look for space settings. In some versions, it might appear under a gear icon or be called Space Tools. Click that to open the management area for the space. If you don't see space settings, that's a sign you may not have the right role in this space. Inside space settings, find and open the permissions or user section. Both take you to the controls that govern who can see and do what in the space. Permissions usually shows a matrix of rights for groups, individual users, and sometimes anonymous visitors. The user's view helps you locate specific people or groups quickly. Next, select Edit to change what different audiences can do. Whenever possible, manage access through groups rather than individual users. It keeps things cleaner and scales better as your team changes. Typical permissions include viewing pages, adding and editing content, deleting, exporting, restricting pages, commenting, and space administration. Apply the principle of least privilege. Give people only what they need to do their work. Be especially cautious with space admin and delete permissions, and think twice before enabling anonymous access, which makes content visible without login. If you must use anonymous access, restrict it to view only and confirm there's no sensitive information in the space. Remember that space permissions are the foundation, but page restrictions can further limit access to specific pages. If someone still can't see a page after you grant space level view, check that page's restrictions. When you're finished adjusting settings, choose Save All to apply your changes. Wait for the confirmation message, then test the result. You can ask a colleague in the affected group to refresh or open a private window and sign in with a test account to verify the experience. That's it. You've navigated to your space, opened space settings, reviewed the permissions or users tab, made targeted updates, and saved your changes. Revisit these settings periodically to keep access aligned with team roles and compliance requirements.